It's the most wonderful time of the year when the na 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 na
I don't think that's what it said.
na 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 na. It's the happiest season of all. Right, Matthew?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, come.
You're more freedom. You didn't freedom. You just come. Jeez. Don't crash at my clothes.
I'm not sitting down on your clothes. You don't see me sit down on you. Jeez. What are we doing today, Matthew?
We're going to the bank.
And what else?
And then Fort Edmonton.
Park.
No, that's not where we're going. We're going to Christmas market.
Okay. You should have wear one jacket.
Just walking. No.
What is the matter? What is the matter?
Janelle didn't tell us.
I did tell you that it would have been a 12-minute walk, Matthew. But you refused to put on.
No, I'm quite warm.
Okay. Then what's the issue with walking?
In the snow.
It's not snowing either.
See, famous ball them there.
Yes.
You know people when you go down there.
Chronicles of our walk foot. This particular experience has me in my emotions. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I am a Christmas girl. Love Christmas. You drink your hot chocolate, hot cocoa, Jamaican, right? And you watch your Hallmark movies. You watch Christmas movies all throughout. That's me, and this experience was no short of what I see in the. Go on now, no? Oh, it is.
I don't know.
I think it was very good. It's a bit sweet, but it was good. North American country wise, yeah, it was given. Another one. It was really good to watch, and like how the place was just set up, and it as night came, it got more and more beautiful with all the lights. Matthew got a chance to pet a horse. We sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of what we got to experience as we share this experience that we enjoyed so much with you. It was just in awe. It was really great. So this is Fort Edmonton Park in Edmonton City. It's the way, when I say it was like a real life Hallmark, the way how they set it up Like it's like it has a vibe of like a small town when you have the small shops and the whole communal feel with the Christmas decorations, the small, you have the small hotel, villa where it has the breakfast, cafe, and then the rooms. Like, look at these ice sculptures, like the Nutcracker. And then I think one was, I didn't highlight this one. This one was more of like a castle, and then you had a moose on that side, like oh my gosh, like beauty. Like it's like a small cafe. I'm telling you, like the vibes was given. We had this pulled pork sandwich, and it was very good, very good. Guys, Matthew rented a whole bus for me so that we didn't have to take public transportation anymore. JK, just joking. So this is an on-demand service in the city of Edmonton that we had booked the bus from the park to the train station to get home. Right? That's all there is. Okay, so we made it home.
Yeah, it was a good little run. Good tipping. It was a good little run. I enjoyed even the bus part. Went on-demand transit. A good service.
It's a free service. So when we were coming, we took the bus from the station to a bus stop, and then we walked to.
But then we passed an on-demand bus stop, and we said, okay, let's use it.
Yeah, so we took the on-demand from the park itself to the train station. So we skip out the whole bus, and it was
really good. Free. At first, we were wondering, like, why is it taking so long?
Yeah.
But it actually gave the right time at the start of it.
Yeah. Because like when we realized it take really long to come, I was just like, it must be in traffic. I was like, where's the traffic? Where's the traffic? But then when it came, when it came and we were exiting, we saw that there was a lot of traffic.
There was jam traffic, and we got some favor today, and
it's been a good day.
It's a great day.
It's been a really great day. However, we're hungry,
so we're gonna mash up something and then go to our friends and go to bed.
Remember to always
live, love, and encourage. Bye.